Very good morning, students. Welcome to your social studies class. I hope you all students are doing well at your home. So, students, as we are discussing about the chapter natural disasters, in which first disaster that we have discussed is floods. And we have also discussed the area which are very prone to flood. So today we are going to locate those places which are very prone to flood in the political map of India. So students, you all require to have political map of India for filling those areas which are very prone to flood. Yes, students. So this is our political map of India. You all have to mention date over it, your name of the chapter, and the topic of filling the map is flood prone area. We have discussed that there are 4 states in our country, India, which are very much prone to floods. So these states are Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, and Assam. So now we are filling these states in political map of India. Starting with our first state, which is Bihar. So as we know that Bihar is located, where Bihar is located? Bihar is located here. And this area is for the country Nepal. So the main reason for flood in Bihar is the river Kosi. The river Kosi, which flows from this area Nepal, joins this Bihar. So the river Kosi makes the area of Bihar very much prone to flood. Then moving to the next state, which is West Bengal. So where West Bengal is located? West Bengal is located here. And as the West Bengal is, this state is developed by the Britishers. So the river Hooghly and Damodar, the 2 rivers which are responsible for making this area prone to flood is Hooghly and Damodar. So the river Hooghly is found in the West Bengal. As this state West Bengal is located by the Britishers, so this is located very below the level of Hooghly. That's why this area become very much prone to flood. And the next river Damodar, the river Damodar flows over here. So this is also one of the reason for making West Bengal area which is very much prone to flood. Then moving to the third state is Odisha. Where is Odisha located? Here is our Odisha. So the river which is responsible for making Odisha a flood prone area is Mahanadi. Mahanadi river is one of the largest river. So the river makes the state very much prone to flood. And the last state which is very much prone to flood is Assam. So where is our Assam located? Assam is located in northeast direction of India. And the river Brahmaputra river is responsible. So this is our river Brahmaputra, which originate from Nepal, right? So Nepal and Tibet, the other name given to Brahmaputra is the Sangpo. So the river Brahmaputra is responsible for the flood in Assam. So we have filled the 4 states which are very much prone to flood. These are Bihar, and the river responsible is Kosi. Then West Bengal, the river responsible here is Hooghly and Damodar. And Odisha, the river responsible is Mahanadi. And in last, Assam, the river which is responsible is Brahmaputra. So you all have to fill the states with the rivers showing flood prone area. You all can use different colors for shading so that our map will look more beautiful and attractive. So students, this is how our map will look. So I hope students you will all now understand that how we can fill the different states which are very prone to flood, and you all now understand the different names of the states in India which are very much prone to flood. Thank you students and have a nice day.